Wow, just wow. This is silver. I don't know what to say. I'm super blown away. Like, I've been waiting for silver to get near 50 for years. For years. Not 4 years, but for many years. If we look back here, I started buying silver before COVID, something like 14 and change. Is that, I don't even know. Is that more than 4 years? 6 years? Almost 6 years. So it's been a long time. And the main reason is I saw silver at 50 in 2011 when they got Gaddafi. And I couldn't believe silver was so expensive, but the S&P to silver ratio was very high in favor of silver. And right now, if we look at, let's say, the S&P 500 divided by silver, we are not as extreme as back then, which means there is more upside still, in my opinion, in silver. If we look back in 2011, silver was super expensive compared to the stock market. Back in 1980, same thing. It was expensive relative to the stock market. And right now, we don't look expensive relative to the stock market. There's a bunch of other measures I can go into, but this is the only one I need. Silver is not expensive yet. It's not at 50 yet, and I think it has to get a lot higher before we can start to consider it expensive. Now, I have a triple in my position, which means that I can get all my money back and still have a position in silver. The worst thing I could do is sell all my silver if and when it hits 50, but I have to do something because there's other things I want to buy. There's other stocks that are actually, very attractive. I think I'll make more money taking some gains in silver, small, like, maybe a quarter position, get all my money back. A quarter wouldn't get all my money back, but I want to get most of my money back, and then go buy another stock that can 10x. That's my logic. Silver could go as high as, according to my math, I think it could be 190 or $200 in the future, depending on how you measure it. But I want to get money out along the way. I want to take some out around 50 to 60. And as it goes to 100, I just want to leave a remainder position on. I don't want to have my full position. I want to move on with some of that capital. Find something else that's on sale. Let me know if you're trading silver and how you're thinking about it, and what do you do when you have a winner? How do you take profits and how do you manage it? Because that's pretty huge. I tend to sell too early. Let me know what strategy or advice that you have in the comments.